Here we go. About to toss Arnie's phone on his little DAC. It's gonna be the toss. Oh, we gotta replay. He pees on his balls, so you gotta do it hard. Damn. No wonder why he's getting a divorce.
God damn, dog. Oh, fuck. He creased. Oh, my goodness. Oh.
You shouldn't have passed out.
I didn't pass out. I still got some game going on. Nigga. Shit. Let me get my pimp hat from. Dick hurts.
I had to get you.
God.
I had to get you.
Oh, you got me. You got me, player.